Hello everybody, this is the first video about Zbrush Fundamentals from a series of videos that I'm planning on making for you. After you opened Zbrush, you can close this homepage window right away. And you will see a big rectangular area that we call a document. And we use it for sculpting, but you cannot sculpt on it right away because you will get such a result. Press Ctrl N to clean it. And after that, just go straight away to the tool menu, and inside this menu you have to choose a simple brush icon. This simple brush option will just give you an opportunity to choose an initial mesh for yourself. In our case, we will just choose a sphere 3D. And after you had chosen it, you can just drag it out on your document. But it's very important that you have to press this edit button. If you will not press it, then it will not work out for you and you will not even be able to interact with your model. Okay, and after we pressed it, we can initialize the model. And by the way, you can press Shift F for switching on and off via frame visibility. And now you can see the mesh of your model. Basically, for you to initialize your model, you have to go to the tool menu, and in the tool menu you have to choose Initialize option. Inside the menu, you can see that it has a lot of sliders. H divide and V divide will control the density of the model. You can make your model less dense or more dense. This is horizontal and this is a vertical density. I think it's very simple. Coverage is basically a percentage of a model you will get. I think it's measured in degrees, 360 degrees. 180 is just a half of your model. If this function is useful for you, then use it by all means. These three X, Y, and Z sliders will just stretch and squeeze your model along the chosen axis. Use it as well if that's important for you. But I just want us to get to our initial sphere. And we will start working on the sphere. Right now just press Shift and F to switch wireframe off. Okay, like this, and you cannot start sculpting on this model right away, because ZBrush will give you such an error. And in the message it says that you have to convert your model to Polymesh 3D. You can do it in this tool menu, and there you have to choose Make Polymesh 3D option. And after you do it, you can start working on your model. Right now just basically press this button, Make Polymesh 3D, and right now I can start sculpting on my mesh. I have a standard brush chosen, and as you can see I can easily sculpt on it. This is very straightforward. Okay, right now let's talk about navigation. If you want to move your model, then you have to press Alt and your right mouse button, and that's how you move your model. For you to rotate your model, you have to hold right mouse button. If you want to snap your model while rotating to the closest axis, you just have to press Shift while rotating. For you to zoom in and out, you just have to press Alt and your right mouse button as if you move your model. Or in case you already move in your model, for example. And right now you have to release Alt button. And after you released Alt button while still holding your right mouse button, move your mouse up and down. In this way you can zoom your model in and out. I understand that most probably you think that it's absolutely not convenient to zoom your model like this. Because especially if you're a previous Blender user, for example, you didn't get used to such a navigation system. But don't worry, you will get used to it and you will actually like it. Basically guys, this was just the first intro video about ZBrush Fundamentals. There will be a lot more videos from me in the future. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found something useful for you. And see you soon in my next video.